This short tutorial will cover how to set up a yellow letters mailing order. To place an order using this product, you will need your mailing list in a CSV format and your letter and envelope in a PDF file. If you do not have an envelope template, you can type your name and return address into our price calculator directly. For more information on a yellow letter setup, go to our FAQ under Help and type in yellow in the search bar. Follow this link to view detailed setup information. The letter for this product should be short, 2 to 3 paragraphs max. We suggest you type your letter in Word or any other editing software with the necessary layout and spacing and save as a PDF. We will apply the handwritten font selected from the calculator selection to your submitted letter. Begin by clicking the letter printing menu at the top and selecting Yellow Letters and Mailing. This action will open the price calculator. Here, you will make your selections based on the parameters needed for your order. The most cost-effective choices on the price calculator are already set for a one-sheet 8.5 by 11, non-full bleed, canary, black and white letter, and envelope by default. Postage defaults to no postage, but you need to choose a postage class to have the mail campaign mailed by us. If you wish to have your order shipped to you so you can send it yourself, leave the postage at no postage and choose a shipping option at checkout. Each option on the price calculator has a question mark, an eye icon, or a YouTube link describing the product and providing additional information or a video tutorial. Begin by selecting the number of sheets and the paper size for your order. Next, enter the number of names and addresses in your mailing list. You do not have to be exact. Our mapping module will automatically tally the uploaded mailing list quantity and update your order accordingly. Choose your paper type. This refers to the paper color you want your letter printed on. The default option is a 20-pound canary. Scroll down the drop-down menu to change the paper color options. Select if you would like lined paper. You can fit more text without lines if your letter is more than 2 paragraphs. The default and most cost-effective option is single-sided black and white printing. This is shown in our calculator as front equals black and white and back equals blank. Blank refers to no printing on the back side of the letter is needed. The Have Mail Merge selection allows you to pull information from your CSV mailing list to print on your PDF letter template, making each letter unique to each recipient. Click on the eye icon to see how to set up a mail merge letter. The No Mail Merge Required option should be selected for flyers or generic letters. For example, Dear Homeowner. Handwritten font on letter refers to the font in which you want your submitted letter to be converted. You can click on the eye icon to preview available fonts. Envelope type is the next option. We offer a variety of envelope sizes and colors. Click on the drop-down to see available options. The default option is set to a number 10 non-window white envelope. Next, choose the envelope printing style. This option lets you customize how your envelope will be printed. The default and most cost-effective option is single-sided black and white printing. Our calculator shows this as front equals black and white and back equals blank. Blank refers to no printing on the back side of the envelope is needed. Postage class is the next selection and the main cost driver for any mail campaign. The selection will affect delivery time and whether undeliverable mail is returned to you by the post office or recycled. Click on the link on the YouTube video icon for a detailed explanation of postage. After indicating the postage class, the postage style becomes available. The term pre-sort stamp cancellation refers to a specific option available when applying your postage. We have authorization from USPS to print cancellation marks on your pre-sort mail campaign, making them appear more like first-class regular postage. Printing these cancellation marks adds a more personalized appearance to your envelope for a higher open rate. Now select a handwritten font for addressing your envelopes. Click on the eye icon to see a sample of our handwritten fonts. This allows you to add a personal touch to your envelopes, enhancing their visual appeal and making them stand out. Choose from a variety of styles to find the one that best fits your occasion or personal preference. This is a free ITI perk allowing you to increase your open rate. we can print a handwritten font for both the return and delivery addresses, or the delivery address only. Now you must determine if you need to upload an envelope template or if you will be using a simple name and return format. Our system defaults to "No, I will provide you my return address below." If you leave this option selected, type in your name and return address in the text box below. You can also include special notes about the envelope merge information or formatting preferences here. If you need to upload a template, change the calculator option to "Yes, I will upload PDF template on the next page." You must upload an envelope template if you have a logo or special envelope design with images or call to action designs. Note that an ink surcharge will apply for large images or excessive ink coverage. Print and insert business cards with mailer. This is a convenient way to include your business card with your mailer. If you select Yes from the drop-down menu, you will be able to upload your PDF artwork layout directly to the order without having to add it separately or continue shopping. Your production turnaround by default is set to 4 business days. For an additional fee, you can choose a 2-day turnaround. Larger order quantities may force a longer turnaround, and the calculator will show you if a longer turnaround is necessary in such cases. Turnaround excludes weekends and holidays and begins after you have approved your proof. Proofs. We offer a free PDF digital proof with every order. You will receive a digital proof-ready email within 1 business day after placing your order. We offer additional proofing options if a hard copy proof is required. In this case, we will print a sample of your job and ship it to you for approval. Setup is free if you place your own order on the site and if your files are set up correctly according to our setup requirements. Click on the Setup tab to the left of the calculator to see the setup requirements. If you need an image inserted into your letter or need us to add a logo to your envelope, pick up the setup cost to streamline the process. You can add notes at the end of the ordering process for special requests. The staggering your mail option allows you to mail your order in smaller, equal-size quantities so the entire job doesn't arrive at the same time. Staggering can only be done weekly and is based on your first mail drop. If your first drop mails on a Wednesday, your subsequent drop or drops will be mailed out every Wednesday. To order, click on the red Order Now button. Enter a descriptive name for the mailing in the Job Name field. We only accept PDF files for your letter, and we highly recommend uploading a single PDF file even if you are ordering a multi-page job, so there is no confusion on the order of the pages. You can drag and drop your PDF letter into this box or click the Select File button to choose your PDF from your computer. Click on the plus icon to upload more pages if you are ordering a multi-page mailing and your pages are in individual PDF files. Please note your mailing list upload will be on the next page. Click on Continue to upload your mailing list. If you plan to reuse a previously uploaded list, you can choose it from here. Then click on the Select button. We highly recommend downloading a mailing template from here to see our standard field names. Using our field names on your mailing list will simplify and shorten field mapping in the next step. To upload your mailing list, click on the blue Select File button. Our mailing list module is now easier than ever to use. Our system automatically recognizes most fields and will mark required address fields with a green check mark. You will also need to assign the recipient's name as first, last, full name, or company name. If you move on without a required address field, you will get this message in pink. Just assign the problem field and click on Save and Continue. Review the summary of your order selections and make any necessary changes. Check the box to agree with the terms and conditions at the bottom, click Save, and add to cart if everything looks good. The next page is the summary of your order. Click Continue if everything looks good, or click Edit to make changes. If you plan to include additional items in your letter, such as a reply envelope or a flyer, click All Products on the top menu to navigate to the desired product and configure it. You will then add it to the cart and check out with both items together. Click on the Continue button to proceed. For the shipping method, choose We are mailing for you. This means we will drop your mailing job at USPS after it has been completed. Otherwise, choose an appropriate choice for your needs. On the next page, enter your payment details and special instructions in the comment box. This space is reserved for any special instructions for the order. You will receive an automated order confirmation email once your payment is accepted. We will email digital proofs within 1 business day. Make sure to whitelist orders at itidirectmail.net to receive all of our emails. We will contact you by email if there are any questions or concerns regarding your order or files. The quickest way to reach our customer service is to reply back to any emails you receive from the system regarding your order. Please visit our YouTube page for more informational tutorials.